welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be messing around with this. So quite a few of you were interested when I posted this on my community tab. So basically this is like a little fun bike type thing, a little pit bike really. Like it's 1200 watts, it's supposed to have a 1200 watt motor. It's got a 15 amp hour battery. It's a brushless motor with obviously a lithium battery, which is all presumably in there. I don't know, I haven't even taken the side of this off yet, but I've just kind of built this and put this together. It did take quite a while to, you know, stick together, and there were a few little problems on the way. Anyway, so what's quite interesting about this is this motor actually looks pretty chunky for the size of the thing. I reckon we'll be able to get more than 1200 watts out of this with some mods. But today I'm just going to do a quick little test, see how it actually gets on with my fat arse on it. I've had a little bit of a run so far when it was flat, and I kind of charged it up, and yeah, it didn't seem to have loads and loads of power, but we'll see what happens anyway. So going to hit the mud. Right, it's all on. We've got our little 3-position switch here. One's the lowest power, 2's obviously goes up to the highest. Then you've got like an on-off switch, which is protected by this little plastic flap thing. So let's give it a go. Whoa, that's got some torque. I mean, that's uphill, that's full throttle. It's surprisingly easy to ride, this little thing actually. Hey, it's pretty quick. Brakes are blooming good as well. Right, let's get up here, have a look. So it's lacking a little bit of low down torque, but I'll tell you what, it's actually pretty good fun. Pretty good. Things struggle about these hills, but can't buzz it. It's actually surprising. It's got surprisingly more power than I thought it had. Struggles with the long inclines. So we're still showing max on the battery meter. So you've got a 3-gauge 3 LED battery meter here. So I'm not sure if this is 48 volts or 52 volts. I need to check what it is, but the throttle response is quite nice. Like you can, you know, it's not like the normal Chinese things where you kind of, you know, it's very twitchy. It's actually quite a smooth throttle response. So the biggest thing with this seems to be like the sort of slow creep up of throttle that it's got. So it's got a very slow start. It kind of bites a bit better once you're rolling, but I don't know if that's just lack of power or if it's actually like lack of phase current or something. But yeah, it definitely needs a bit more go. I reckon sticking a phase runner on here, that'll probably help a lot. Nearly. This is a lot of bike for kind of 700 or whatever quid it is. You know, people that want some fun, even if you're sort of 6 foot, can still have a lot of fun with it, and you could probably mod it up with another few hundred quid, and then you could actually have something really, really good fun. You can blast around and probably not get noticed too much. People think it's a toy. versus a Sur-Ron, which is going to cost you thousands of pounds. It's not like a comparison for a Sur-Ron, obviously, but you know what I mean. Hey, look, there's a Honda E over there. Like that, that's so cool though, isn't it? I think the battery's warmed up now. Suspension's good. The handlebars moving around.
To stop the spread of COVID-19.
What a lot of fun. So definitely impressed with this so far, guys. I reckon we can do some mods to it, make it quicker, make the acceleration crazy. Catch you in the next one.
Protect the NHS, save lives.